Okay guys, so let's push a repo to my GitHub account. So I'm going to push a repo. You can see I have a project in here. Okay, the great cart. Okay, I'm going to push this repo into my GitHub account. So first of all, go to the GitHub. Okay, click enter and go to github.com. And if you do not have any account, create an account from here, or just log in with your username and password. So I am going to log in to my account. Okay, so yeah, we are good to go. This is my account. So I am going to go to my repository. So I'm going to create a new one in here. So type here your repo name, create cart. So it's saying this is available, so I'm going to give this public and create the repository. Okay, so it's saying that I should initialize git. First of all, go to your cmd, open up your command prompt and go to my desktop, and going to go to inside my my folder. Okay, my project folder, my this is the project folder, right? So after that I am going to copy this and paste in here, git init. So it's saying that it's initialized, so I'm going to add this readme file. I'm going to also type git add dot, it means I'm going to add all of the files in the git. So after that I am going to commit this. Okay, this is our first commit. Can you edit this commit here? So after that click this is our going to our main branch. Okay, so we should get remote to our that repository here. So I'm going to get, okay, there is a already remote already exist. So I am seeing this because my project already has a remote origin. Okay, so if you see this, you should type git remote rm origin. So this will remove our this previous setup repo origin. So copy that and paste here. So copy this and paste here again. So this should be, this should add our origin. So after that you should git push. Okay, so let's push. So you can see it's pushing this repo. So it's pushing in the repo. So we have to connect it, saying that we should connect our GitHub. So if you give this push repo, you should sign in with my browser. So I'm going to sign in with my browser. So copy that, okay, and paste in here. So it's having a problem in here. So I should give the command here again. So you can see that it has authenticated. from this browser. When I passed it has authenticated, so everything is pushed. So remote 100% is done. If I refresh this, you should see our file has successfully pushed into the Git repository. So this is it, guys. I will see you in the next video. So you have successfully pushed our repo into the GitHub account. So bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next video.